Hello, welcome. Thank you so much for joining us here today on this beautiful, beautiful Friday. So I hope you are doing great today. And I hope everything that you are desiring, that you're visioning for your life, for yourself, is coming true to you. Let's just dive into it, okay? Okay. You are in competition. For anyone out there who is thinking that you're in competition with everyone and that you have to, compete against everyone for the sale, for everything that you want. It's not so, actually. You're not in competition for yourself because as you followed through this training that we've been doing for the past year and a half, almost 2 years, then you know that you've branded yourself as being that person. You've branded yourself as being that person who gives value, who is growing, and who keeps giving, and who keeps sharing, and who keeps yourself moving forward. So if you are in that position and you're not sure what you're doing, then you need to take a step back and take a look at what you're not doing. So just keep in mind that you are not in competition with anyone. The only person you're actually competing against is yourself, because you have branded yourself as being, like I said, that person. You know that person, you know who you are, you know who you had to become in order to succeed, in order to see your visions that you wanted for yourself, that you have for you, coming to light. And it's as actually that simple. And I know you've listened to a lot of other people, and I know there's a lot going on out there in the world, in the marketplace. And you know what? You do have the opportunity to keep growing. But the thing is, if you don't believe in yourself, if you don't believe you are that person, that you are the leader of your tribe, if you're giving value to everyone, and that is not just giving, that is, you are showing, you are teaching, you are sharing. Maybe you're not doing live so much. I am having a great day. Thank you. Maybe you're not doing live videos. Maybe you don't like to do videos. It doesn't matter what you want to do or not do. It just matters in what you're comfortable and what you have become. Because if you're not becoming that person, then you won't be able to receive all of the bounty and the beauty that is out there for you. So let me see. I do have notes here for you guys to make sure I hit all the bullet points on this today. Okay, you see, let me just break this down really quickly here for you, because you know what? There's more than enough wealth. There's more than enough prosperity to go around for everyone in the world. There is way more than enough. So if you think, or if you feel, I should say feel, because your vibration, your emotion, that is what takes you forward. That is what is constantly moving you in the momentum to seeing your vision come to light. Now, it takes time to build a lifestyle. It takes time to become that person. But if you're doing it every single day, if you're doing the 6 steps I taught you about on what we do every single day, there's 6 steps that we do every single day. And I actually did a training on this. And if you were on that, then you got the insight on all these 6 different steps, different things that we do every day. And I talk about them regularly on all of my broadcasts. So if you're in there, and if you're doing this, and if you're following through with yourself, then you know exactly what I'm talking about, and you know exactly where you're going. Okay, and if you're here with me and you know what you're doing, you know you are the one. You are that special person. You are the one that is taking the steps. You are the one that is growing yourself, not just your business. Your business will grow with you along that path. Oh, thank you. So if you're out there and you're doing that, and that's what you're focusing on, then you want to be sure, positively sure, that this is what you want. The more you're sure, the more you know that you're going to make the changes necessary, that you are the one that is succeeding. There's no competition out there for you, because you know that you are giving value. You know that you are teaching. You are learning every day. And the more you're learning and the more you're teaching and sharing and growing, the more value you are giving to people. And always, whenever you're doing a teaching or a coaching or talking to even a group of people of 2 or more, be sure you're bringing it. Give it. Bring in the enthusiasm. Bring the vibration. Bring everything about you, because it's all about you. You are only in competition with yourself. Sounds strange, right? It's true. So the only person you're competing against, I should say, is your conscious and subconscious mind. And change who you were into who you want to be. That person that you were then, that person that didn't have that lifestyle, that didn't have that, that's not who you are now. You are the you that deserves everything. You are the you that has worked and strived and became the one. The one is the one who has stepped up and said, you know what, I'm learning how to do this. I'm clearing my mind. I'm clearing my subconscious. I'm making everything in my world happen for me. When you step up and be that person, then there is no way you will not be successful. There is no way possible that you will not get what you desire, what your vision is, and everything about you. So take a look at what you're doing, what you're not doing. And there's only one reason why you're not the person who has received the wealth. Only one reason only, is you have not became that person. You have not chosen to be that person. I know you're going to say, yes, I have. Yes, I have. I want it. I want it. I want it. Well, stop wanting it and start becoming it. Wanting it is a lack. Wanting is a negative. The more you say, I want, the more negative flows through you. That's not good. You want to have the I am that person. I am more and more that person every day. I have become the person in my vision. I see myself being, doing, having. That's where it comes from, and that's where it starts, and that's where it ends. It's all about you. And there's people out there that have been doing coaching, doing training, doing teaching for years, 15, 20, 30, 40 years. And what they've learned, maybe they make billions of dollars. Maybe they make hundreds of thousands of dollars. Maybe they make millions of dollars. It all depends on what each person wants. What you have to do for yourself, this is for you, nobody else, is to become that person. Become the person that you see having it. Be the one. Be the one that you are wanting to be in your vision, nobody else's vision but your own. When you become that person, when you are that person, there's no way anyone can stop you, because you're not in competition with anyone. The only competition that you will see is the competition you create. When you have people that are following you because of your name, because of who you are, because you've branded yourself, like who follows Tony Robbins? Who follows Dean Graziosi? Who follows these people? Think about it. Yeah, think about it. Eric Worre. Who follows Eric Worre? These are people that make billions of dollars. And they have built a following based on who they are, based on their name, based on what they give to the community, based on how they're teaching and selling. You can sell all of your products. You can sell anything you want when you base yourself as being that person. when you base yourself as being the one, why not? I know you can do it. So for anyone out there, if you're on my team, if you're part of my group, if you're part of this wonderful, massive community that I belong with, then you know exactly what you're getting, and you know exactly how to build yourself, how to brand yourself, and you know exactly that you are getting guidance, you're getting inspiration from top earners. Yeah, anyone on my team, you know you're getting this. And you know what? If you're a member of this community, your drive is there. You know you're doing it. You know there's people there backing you up. So what are you doing that's not working? And when you ask our community, when you ask us, we will help you. And you know we do help you. So anyone, what we need to do, we're not focusing on what we need to do. That's part of life. Don't hold yourself down, and do not hold yourself back for that. Change your way of thinking and change who you believe yourself to be. Key number one, you have to change who you believe you are. If you had parents that told you you were no good, you didn't belong, were never going to amount to anything, so many, I keep hearing that. I heard it again today. When you stop believing what your parents told you, or what your school or whoever told you, whoever gave you that false information told you, let it go. You know what? It's not true. And if you keep believing it's true, then that's what the life you're creating for yourself. And you know what? You're influencing everyone around you with that negative talk. And people don't want to hear it, and they don't need it, because it's not good for you. It's not good for them. You get what I mean? I know you guys do. So, anybody have any questions here in this group right now, today? If there's any questions, I'd be happy to answer them for you. If not, then we're going to go ahead and call this a wrap. And I wish you all the best. And thank you guys so much for joining us here today. You know what? You guys are amazing, and you are fabulous. I am going to put this on the replay. So anyone that gets it on the replay, please say replay so I know who's doing what, where, when. And also, please state where you're from. So I know we get people from all over the world, and it is amazing. I love it. So I hope you guys have a super great Friday, because you know what? It is a great day. Every day is a great day, and it's even better when you do have. You are the one. You are the one that is crushing it, that is making it, that is creating the vision of your life that you choose to be. Okay, for anyone on the team, anyone in this community with me, there will be another training in the group later today. I believe it's going to be in Mastermind Marketer. So, anyone out there who would please share and like this video, let's keep it going. And let's also build you as the leader. Get your name out there, attach it to my video, because you know what? It's going to rock. And take a look at our YouTube channel, and definitely subscribe to our channel. We're growing and building. We just keep getting better and better. Okay, all. I will chat with you later, and thank y'all so much for joining me. See you later.